So, our very first recipe of our course, we're going to make white chocolate. What are you going to make?
Flapjacks.
Yeah, white chocolate and raspberry flapjacks. These are the perfect recipe to start with because they're nice and simple, all in one bowl, mix it up in the tin, off we go. And I've got my little helper, Nora. You going to help me do all the baking?
Yeah.
Awesome. Right, so should we get started?
Yeah.
Yeah! We're going to start by mashing up our 2 bananas. Do you think you could do that for me? With a fork? Might need a fork. Is there a fork there? There we go, lovely. So we're going to mash up our 2 bananas.
I had a spoon instead of
You had a spoon instead of a fork? Right, so we want these to be lovely and mushy. Can you start mashing?
Mush, mush.
Mush, mush, mush. Go on, mush.
Mush it.
Yeah, you can. Really mush.
Can't.
If you can, you want your bananas to be lovely and ripe. That's more stabbing than mushing. Right, hang on, I'll hold the bowl and you mush. Go.
Yeah.
Do you want me to show you how to mush?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to pop, literally just push it down with the fork. Okay? You going to have a go? So you want your oven to be on 180 fan, 200 conventional.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
It's just a bit of a black bit, darling. Look, if I squish it up, it won't be there anymore. Ready? Shall I show you? That's it, keep squishing.
It's squishy already.
It's squishy already. Right, ready? Shall I have a go?
Yeah.
Right, okay, here we go. Oh, mush, mush, mush. Here we go. Look,
It's sticking to the side.
I know, but if we squish it up the sides, it's a bit easier to mash, you know. Right, okay, here we go.
You just took some.
And then we go like this, scoop it all round, mash it again. Look, see, it's mashed banana now. Can you see?
Yeah.
And look, you can't even see that black bit anymore, can you? 'Cause it's gone. Because if bananas are a little bit more ripe, they tend to have more black bits on them, don't they? When they're ready to eat. What colour are bananas before you can eat them?
Green?
Green. Well, you could eat them.
Yeah.
If that's how you like. Right, so there's our mashed bananas. They look mashed enough for you. Yeah, all mashed up. Could you give it a little mix for me to make sure it's all done? Yeah, you use your spoon, that's it, your special spoon.
Not this whisk.
Not this whisk. The next thing we're going to do is, Mummy's going to do this bit because it's on the hob. I'm going to melt together 180 grams of peanut butter, 5 tablespoons of golden syrup, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I'm just going to heat them gently on the pan until it's all nice and smooth, and then we're going to put that in. So while I'm doing that, Nora, do you think you could grease the tin for me? Because you're really good at this.
Okay.
So, we've got just a brownie tin here. You can use,
The tin.
you were going to use the tin, yeah. So we've just got a brownie sort of size tin here. So if I put that there for you, I'll move the bananas out of the way a minute.
Greasy.
Greasy, greasy. Right, so
Greasy.
to grease our tin, we need one of these.
Hey.
Ah!
Fluffy.
Right, let me get some butter on it for you.
Look.
Yeah. It's a pastry brush, it's called.
Where's pastry?
Pastry brush, right. And then we get some butter on it. And then you're going to mush that all around. That's it, you might need to hold on to it. That's it, good job. That's it, all around and all around the sides as well.
Yeah.
That's it. Do you know why we do this? It's so that the flapjacks...
Buttered your hand.
You did, it's so... We grease the tin so that the flapjacks...
I only buttered my own hand.
You're crazy. We do this so that the flapjacks don't stick to the tin.
Ooh.
The butter... Yeah, I know. The butter helps it not stick.
Is the butter not sticky?
No, the butter, it's a bit greasy, isn't it, the butter? Can you feel it's a bit slippy? And then we want to put this in. This is the baking paper. This, again, helps it not stick to the tray.
Put it on.
Right, so push it, that's it, push it down.
Hoorah.
Okay. If you could mix, could you pour those in for me? So we've got...
All of them.
Yeah, hang on. We've got 200 grams... I can't speak today. We've got 200 grams of rolled oats. So can you pour those in for me, please?
All of them.
Yeah, all of it. Go. Buff. There we go. Lovely job. Thank you very much, my darling. And then if you could mix that round while I get these done.
Mixing. Mixing it.
That's it. Good girl for holding the bowl. That's a good way to do it.
Bit tricky.
What's a bit tricky?
The banana-
Mixing.
I
That's
just
it.
got it on my hand.
That's okay. It doesn't matter.
I pushed it too close and up.
So I'm just putting the coconut
Mummy,
oil in here.
all getting stuck to the banana.
That's good. That's what we want to happen.
Yeah, because the seeds are all getting stuck to the banana, and that's what we want to happen.
And those aren't seeds. What are they called? You know what they're called, don't you? Can you remember? That's what you play with Edie at school with. Oats, that's it.
But we don't have the oats anymore at school.
Oh, you don't have them anymore?
No.
So they were too messy.
They keep growing all over the floor. Me and Edie had to tie them up.
Did you?
One day we tied them up, but there was too many on the floor.
Okay. Right, so...
Mummy, look.
Mummy's making a mess here.
Mummy.
Ow.
I'm not.
You're not. You're doing a great job. So we've got the peanut butter, and then I've just put 3 tablespoons of coconut
Mummy.
oil. Have a smell. Smells like coconuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like coconuts.
And then this is golden syrup. It's really yummy. So I'm going to put 5 tablespoons. Can you help me count? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4,
No, no,
5.
no. Sorry, darling. No, look. This is a tablespoon.
Die.
So ready? 1.
1, 2,
2. Squeeze.
3,
4. How many did I say?
4,
No, 5.
5. 5.
Last one, ready, and go. 5.
5.
Right. 5.
I want to smell it.
You want to smell it? Here you go. You can smell it in here if you want. Smells lovely and sweet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really tasty. Right.
Did you bring pancakes?
Did I bring? We're going to make pancakes later. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And can I have the syrup on it? Cause I want
Oh
to,
yeah, absolutely.
Because I want to try it.
Right, I'm going to heat this up, okay, until it's nice and smooth. You
Mummy.
keep mixing.
Bits are stuck
Okay, I'll
to
come and
it.
help now. Hang on. So we'll mix this.
It's quite tricky.
It's quite tricky. Well, we've got more liquid to put in, so it's still a little bit dry, isn't it? Can you see? It's still a little bit dry. So do you think we need to add some more liquid in to make it less dry? Yeah. Well, that's what we're doing now while we're heating up the other bits.
I can scoop this much.
Whoa, that's a lot.
I can scoop this much. And you know how I get it off?
How? Oop, oop.
And you know how I get this much off?
How much? Bloop. Because we're going to squish them before we pop them in.
I... Mummy.
Oh yeah, here we go. It's starting to happen now. Right. Can you see that?
I
So
can't.
can you see it starting to melt now?
I can't. I can't.
Look, can you see? It's all coming together.
It's nearly going to melt.
Oh, ah!
Mummy, look, there's a boiling bit right there. Look. Quick.
A boiling bit, where? It's right, I got it, I got it. I got it. So what I'm gonna do, because this is a bit hot, okay, so Mummy will pour it in. What are you doing?
Evening.
Does that look all mixed in and melted to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say that's good.
Pour it in.
So it should be nice and melted. All together. I've gone for chunky peanut butter because I like the chunky peanut butter. It's a good face, Nora.
Chunky peanut butter.
Right, we ready to pour it in? Here we go. Plop. Careful it doesn't go on your arm. Because hang on, right, I'll put that bit in and then I'll scoop this bit out. Right, you ready to mix? Ready, go!
No. Can't do it.
Now, to stop everything going everywhere, it's always a good idea to hold on to the bowl whilst your child is mixing. You need some help. Mix, 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 mix. And then once we've put this in, we pop the raspberries in and then it's ready to go in the oven. That was nice and quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, does that look mixed in?
Yeah.
Yes, right, so we're gonna add the raspberries now. Okay,
Out.
got to squish them like this. Can you do that with me? Squish. That's it, just squish it. Squish it like that between your thumb and your finger. Squish. That's it, you got it. You can wipe it at the end. Squish. Squish.
I forgot to squish.
You've got to squish them where? Hang on, I'll get you a cloth. There we go. I find the unsquished ones. Right. Here you go, Pickle.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells lovely and fruity.
Yes.
Got it?
When will it be lunchtime?
It's not lunchtime yet, but you can have a little treat after this, okay? Look, because look what Mummy's done, Nora. Look what's in here. What's in there? Right, we're going to mix this in, okay? Isn't it a lovely red colour, Nora? Aren't the raspberries a lovely colour?
Yeah, I love red.
We've mixed all our ingredients. Now we're going to pop it in the tin. Aye! Right, so here's our lovely tin that you prepared for us earlier. Right, if I hold it up, can you try and pour it in with the spoon? Use the spoon to tip it in.
Yeah.
That's it, keep going. Oh, careful, do it really gently, okay? Otherwise it's going to end up on the floor. We don't want our yummy mixture going on the floor, do we? That's it, keep going. Oh, good job. It's quite sticky, isn't it? Ready to get these bits?
Don't use a squish.
Okay, is that a very important whisk?
For me.
It's for you? Do you think we can put it in the oven like that? What do we need to do to it?
Spread it out.
Spread it out, good girl. So we're trying to fill the tin, push it out to all the corners.
And then muffins.
Muffins? It's not muffins. Have we just made muffins?
No.
Oh, I thought we were making flapjacks.
Flapjack.
Oh no, it's a cake.
It
Oh, is it not a cake? It's
No.
pancakes.
No.
It's a loaf of bread.
No.
Right.
Beautiful red.
It's nice, isn't it, with the red in, with the raspberries?
Yeah.
What do we need to do with this now, Nora?
Do you
want
put
to-
it in the oven.
Put it in the oven, very good. So we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's golden brown on top, but still lovely and gooey in the middle.
Oh,
Mummy, put it in the oven because it's hot?
yeah.
Yeah? Good girl.
And I'm playing now.
So, it's in.
Play.
Right, so that's in the oven, 20 minutes until it's lovely and golden brown, and then we're going to decorate them, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. So, our flapjack has come out of the oven and it's cooled down in the tin. Doesn't it look yummy? Yeah, yum, yum. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut it up, and there are two ways that we can decorate our flapjack. There's one really easy way where we drizzle over some white chocolate. And then the other way, we're going to turn our flapjacks into birds. Right, so this is all cooled down, so I'm going to pull this out. Pop. There we go. Oh, look at that. Can you see the lovely colour of the raspberries?
I wish we had a red flapjack.
You wish we had a red flapjack.
Is that the wings?
Hey, no. So we're going to cut them out and we're going to turn each one into a bird.
Ooh, that might be tricky.
That might be tricky.
It actually will be tricky.
Right, so I'm just going to cut these ones, and we're gonna drizzle on these ones. Hang on, I'm doing this by eye. I should probably measure it, but I'm not gonna.
He can do this split. Catching the Lego first.
She can do the splits.
Yeah, look.
Oh wow, Mummy can do the splits. I can't really. Can you do the splits?
No.
Oh, okay. Right, so we're going to drizzle this over our flapjacks, okay? Shall I show you how to do it and then you have a go? So, okay, what we're going to do is get a little bit of white chocolate on our spoon. Then we're going to drizzle it. Oh, that was probably a bit much. Drizzle it over our flapjacks like that. Hey, I'd like you to have a try. Or are you going to turn them into birds for me?
No.
You have to help me make them into birds.
It's
part of the deal.
Yeah,
I'm going to show you. I'm not going to make you do it all by yourself, am I? Oh! Ah! Careful, Lucy. There's white chocolate on the loose. You don't have to put the white chocolate on if you don't want to. You can just leave them as they are. They're delicious just like that. Right. Think that's enough white chocolate? Bit more? Bit more?
All of them.
So those are our white chocolate drizzled flapjacks. And then, shall I show you how we turn them into birds?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we need to turn them into birds, we need some strawberries cut up into slices like this, and some little pieces like that that look a little bit beak shaped.
Can I see?
Yeah, you have a look at those. Then we need some blueberries
Ooh.
and a banana. Okay, so this is another way of adding some extra fruit, which is always great. Right, so put those there.
Here it's nice and healthy.
Exactly, exactly.
So it's nice
You
and
know it.
healthy.
Exactly. Right, let's go for, hang on. I really should.
Pinky and the Brain.
You singing Pinky in the Brain?
Yeah. Pinky.
Wonder where you got that from.
I know the song.
You know the song, you do. Who taught you that?
Daddy.
Daddy. Right, okay.
No,
Are you ready to make some flapjack birds?
I'm singing Pinky.
You're singing Pinky in the Brain. Too busy singing. Right, we've got our flapjacks.
And I'm too busy.
We're going to add our eyes first, okay? So I'm going to slice
Blueberry
the banana.
eyes.
Well, blueberries are part of the eyes, yeah. So we're going to do... Shall I show you how to do one and then you can copy?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, right, eyes.
That looks like an owl.
Hang on, not done yet.
That actually looks like an owl.
That's the idea. Eyes.
Is it
Right.
going to be
And
an
if
owl?
we need to, if things won't stay on, we can use a bit of the white chocolate on a little paintbrush, and that will help us stick it on, you see? So we do that. I know. Clever, right? There's the beak. Is it starting to look like a bird?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we need some wings. So, one wing.
That looks like an owl, really.
And then another wing. Oh, we might need to stick those wings on. I don't know if he's going to stay.
And it said
It's a little flapjack bird. Right, so what do we do first? What did Mummy say first?
banana.
Banana eyes.
Boop. Boop.
I think they might need to go like that, don't they? His eyes are on the side of his head. Right, then we need blueberries.
Strawberries.
Then what do we need next?
Beak.
A beak. Beak, good girl. Maybe push it up just a little bit. Wings. Find a couple of wings. Oh.
Strawberries are too slippery.
Yeah, a bit slippy, aren't they? Ah! Got on the other side. And there we go. We've got flapjack owls and we've got flapjack drizzles. And there we have it, Nora. Flapjack owls and drizzly flapjacks. Do they look yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome, that's our first bake done. High five. Don't leave me hanging, come on. Come on, give me a high five. Well, Lucy, give me a high five. Oh, all right. Thanks so much for joining us for our very first lesson. Next up, we've got... You're laughing at me. Next up, we've got apple tarts.